Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Code Recode. Today I'm gonna be talking about how to install React Native using Expo CLI on Windows. Let's get started. Firstly, you wanna make sure you have the latest version of Node.js installed in your PC. To do that, head over to the link given in the description, choose your platform and install the latest package. When you're done with installing Node, open your command prompt and make sure you are in the user default directory. Now you can go ahead with installing Expo CLI. We can do that in two ways. One is npm and other is yarn. These are basically the package managers for the Node.js platform, and each of them puts modules in place so that Node can find them. I'm gonna be using npm here, so just type in npm install -g space expo -cli and hit enter. Give it some time so that it can install necessary dependencies. When you are done, you can go ahead with creating your first React Native project. Simply type expo init your project name and hit enter. Choose blank, hit enter. Wait till it installs the required dependencies. Once you are done, head over to the directory which has been created by the above name, located in your default user directory, which is present here. The folder should be here. It's right here. So type cd your project name, hit enter. Then start the development server by typing npm start, hit enter. You can also type expo start. There you are. You have successfully installed React Native Expo CLI. That's it for the video. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.